Hello everyone, welcome to hypixel. Hypixel is a little mini game when you think about it. And that's what we will be playing today. So let's no introduction. No, should always have an introduction. I am I don't know, Wolf or whatever you want to call me. You can call me the Dweeby Man. Yes, the Dweeby Man. I'll be fine with that. Yeah, just wanna play some games, have some fun with it. So let's play. The first game, my favorite, is Modern Mystery. Stands up to its name. These games hypixel's pretty good at standing up to names. It's weird. Very simple. If you're an innocent, you do nothing but cry for mercy. And if you're a mortal, you don't give mercy. If you're a detective, you give mercy and no mercy. Very simple. And I'm innocent, so I'm just gonna hide in this corner and cry for mercy. So if the detective dies, which I'm not the detective, and I probably won't die. Actually, I probably will die, but if the detective dies, you can pick up the bow and you can go find the murderer and shoot the murderer. But the murderer, you try to kill everyone. See, the detective has been killed. I'm gonna go find it. And I feel like it's you. It is him. If you're a detective, you try and shoot. Actually, is that you? It's that white guy. Four-leafed. As I'm saying, the detective can shoot the murderer. Holy crap! And I lost silence. I'm sorry, everyone. I get concentrated in these games. So detective, you shoot the murderer. If you wanted to, like, if you're the detective and you think someone's the murderer, but they're innocent, and you shoot them, then the detective dies, same as the innocent. So it's kind of, think about it, it's kind of like Among Us, but in Minecraft, and it's more mystery like. Okay, where's Four Leaf at? I have not seen him anywhere. Comes up and stabs me in the back. I'm gonna check my back all the way. I have eyes in the back of my head. Alright, not entirely. Oh, there he is! Hello? 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 Are you there? Well, where did you go, huh? There you are. Hi, I see you. Yeah. Hide behind that sword. Hide behind Excalibur. You're not worthy to lift it. Yeah. Dang it, 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 dang it. Hello, hello, hello. No. You. I know it's you. I'm not dumb. Sometimes. Where are you, four-leafed? Yeah, shoot him. Shoot at him. Shoot at him. Shoot at him, weeb. Dang it. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, I see you. I'm gonna shoot you. Ha! I knew it. Yeah, I knew you were the murderer. You liar. Goodbye. See you later. Into the far distant future. Yeah, I'll say give it one more little go, and then, yeah. Oh, I'm an innocent again. I really want to be the model. It'll be really fun. I can't go down here. I go down here, I die. Holy Lord, are you having a siege or are you? Oh, yeah, she died. Wait, is that her? Yeah, she did. Nope, nope, get away from me. Get away from me, I'm going to protect me. I forgot about this hiding spot. The, lordish hiding spot there is. But do I want to be a wimp? No, I don't want to be a... Okay, yep. What was that? That was quick. That's modern mystery for you. Since that was so quick, I'll do one more. And then I'll show you another game. Yeah. Somebody already died. Okay, you don't kill up. Someone's dead already. That's new. Someone has McDied. Oh! Yeah, Lord. No, I don't want to go. Oh, dang. I probably should have just jumped it. Can I jump? Oh, well, duh. I'm not a good parkourist. Yeah, that's a ward. It's a new ward. I'm sad now. Oh, well. Whoops. Next game, TNT tags. You tag, if you have TNT on your head, and the timer runs out, you blow up. So you have to tag someone, so they have the TNT, and you have to run away from them. Again, stand up to its name in ways. I haven't done this map in a longage time. See, I'm just creating new wards every day. Longage. Yes, longage. It'll teach ya. Wait, what? I'm a little cave. I've never actually been up here. I think it's a dumb. Go up the ladder, man. Uh-oh. Don't lead them over here. That was my, what do you call it? Treehouse? Yeah. One. Oh, what? Hey, you. Oh, what is this? Stormolay! I can't hit him! One. As fast as you can. Why are you being so slow? Dang it, dude. I'm gonna get hit. Nope. No. Oh, holy macaroni is my savior of the Lord. I've never really been up here before. I'm gonna try and go up here. Lord, give me strength to go up here, please. Haha, I can't climb ladders no more. Why I no grab ladders? That didn't sound right. I'm just hiding. Ooh. What? I got so excited. I thought it was a cave. And turns out, it's a half cave. I almost said cage. I say wards in panic. Am I in the safe? Am I in the out now? I believe I am. Okay. Hello, people. Don't mind me, please. You want to stand to close people, or you don't want to stand close to people? If you're the tagger, you can tag them, but if they're the tagger, you need one away. Like what I said. Dang it. Go, go, go. I have no intention with you, woman. Hey, you want to go? You want to go? Let's go. Stop. I have no intention of being around you, woman. Or man. Or whatever you are. Just let me leave in peace. But no. I can't. Okay. I'm just gonna hide out. Don't you do nada. You know what? I'm staying away from you. You're mean. Run away, little man. Run away. Da 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 da. Wee. Anybody up here? Yep. Oh no! Don't do it. Oh, I want to do it. I won't do it. Wait, is that? No, it's not. Never mind. No. Oh my goodness. They're mean. What is that person doing? Okay, yeah, you two just have fun. It's okay. Actually, I don't know if I want to be over here, actually. Cause if yeah. No. Hey, I have no intention. I don't care for you. I don't, I mind you. Yes, I mind you. I mind all of you. One as fast as you can. Go. Why are you so slow? Why? Just one. Is only one tagger? Oh no, there's 3 taggers. Okay. Hey, that guy was it, and I hope he or she blows up because they were mean. Okay, it's gonna I believe it's gonna be put in the net. Okay, no, not right now. Only one tagger now, so that's great. I'm scarred. Help me. Help me, please. Please. So let's sit here. So your running speed goes down when the time goes down. I think that makes sense. Okay, will we be starting now? Because I know the lower you go. And this is a strategy to go back and hit them. Oh, I have McFarlane. Okay, no, not right now. But yes, you can be looked like a dork. Wait, looked like a dork? Yeah, see, this would just be called, new words each day. I think I'm in the safe. I'm just gonna hide right here. Yeah, those two are fighting it out. I'm just enjoying my time. Okay. I'm gonna do it. I look like a dweeb. But you know what? That's what our channel is. Here we go. Go, go. As fast as you can. You cannot catch me. I am the dweeby man. Hardcore parkour. And I'm really bad. Go up the ladder stairs thing. Go. Go as fast as you can, little man. One. Holy crap. Okay. This is my strategic. Nope. Come here. Hey! Oh, you wanna go? Do you wanna go, senpai? Wait, what? Senpai, ew. Oh, dang it, I'm in the wall. I'm stuck no matter what. Okay, it's kind of suspense now. Yes! No! Lordy, lordy, lordy. Okay, that's TNT tag for Alia. Okay, yeah. Cool. I'm now gonna play a game that's very annoying called Bed Wars. This game can be very, very ragey. And hey, I'm gonna play it because I can. Ooh, arms? I don't like arms. They're okay. Let's just do a classic 4v4. Why not? I'm gonna let this. I know it. Oh, lordy, lord, lordy, lord. Oh, lord. The Helma Gang. I said that right, yeah? Oh, yeah, I've done this one before. So, Bed Wars. You protect your bed, and you fight other people and destroy their beds. Yes. Basic game. Once again, stands up to its name in some ways. Okay, wait, we only have 3 peeps? Blah. Seriously? Okay, are you defending? You're not defending. Okay, whatever, fine, I'll defend. If you won't defend, I'll defend, okay? Okay. Why are the emerald generators right in front of us? Okay, okay. Concentration is my game. I think I did this wrong. Nope, 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 nope. Lordy, lordy. Protect the bed quicker, please. Do it quicker, please, please. Oh, you wanna go? Hi. Hi, 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 oh dear. I said his name. He's dead. Okay. I'm sorry if my I don't know. Dang it. I need more wool. Bruh, people, why do you want to start a war? There's 4 of you, there's 3 of us, and I'm dead now. Probably should have gotten a better weapon. Oh no, bed. Oh no, they're breaking into our bed. Yeah, they covered the bed. Are we still in war though? We still are in war though. Okay. I don't think it's covered all the way. Let's fix that. Waddle boss. Oh, seriously? That's how you want to play? That's the games you play with me. When you play games like that, I play games with you. Yes, got him. Wait, did I get him? I didn't get him. Dun dun dun. Blah, Lord, please. Oh, you messing up my beautiful bed. Ah, the Weevil. I killed the Weevil for you. Okay, Wed isn't doing nothing. Because Wed's dead. Oh, okay. Okay, what to cover in with now? We can do terracotta. Yeah. No. What y'all do with my bed? Look how nice it looked. It looked so nice. I need to get an axe. That's what I need to get. Axes are stronger than swords. Slower but stronger. By like slower by like 1. But land those quits. I regret saying words sometime. But yeah, you land those critical attacks and you've been commenced a god. I don't know. Oh, you took my iron! Oh wow, it's actually coming in quickly. Yeah, I'll take it. I don't know what green and... No, wait. I don't know what, blue and yellow are up to. But hey, we don't see that, soon. Maybe. You all... My bed. I cover it. Oh, lordy. Oh, lordy. Oh, lordy. The Weevil. Hello, the Weevil. Dang, I died by the Weevil. I seriously need to get an axe like that. I can't hear a thing, so I have no clue if they break into a bed or not. Axe. Get myself an axe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And, like, armor would be really nice, too. That'd be, beautiful. But, no. Oh! Them prestigious button clicks. Hey! Good job, Waddle Boss. Good job, indeed. Boop, 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 boop. Wow, green teams have been eliminated. Wow. That dissolved a soda. I don't know. For some reason, I thought of soda. Now I want to get a soda. Holy frick! What the frick? Dang it. They got out bad. Quick! 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 Why do they have diamonds? How do they have diamonds? What? No! Where did my team go? Oh, they over... Oh. Lordy. Good job. Wow, that was, prestigious. Welp. That's hypixel for ya. I hope you guys liked it. And that's gonna be it for today. So I truly do liked it. If you want, subscribe. I'm not forcing you or anything. I'm not one of those peeps who like click this button and subscribe. If you want to, you can. I don't mind if you don't. But again, I hope you guys like this video. And I'll be definitely making some more of these random, crazy videos. So I do indeed hope you like this. So that's it for today, and goodbye.